I get organic haldi from my farm. It is a mixture of a little bit of ajwain, long, kali miri, pure organic haldi, adrak, and then you boil it together, and a pinch of pure ghee, and that's what we drink. And we make this kada, which we make the children also drink. And earlier I used to give it to them only when they had a slight cough or a cold or something, and I would give it to them at least twice a day. But now we've been taking it on a regular basis because of this COVID-19 scare. So we take